Most of us have heard that we can use our thoughts to create our reality, and it sounds so easy. So why don't we all make an effort to create our reality every day? Maybe it's because we haven't been given simple and specific steps that are easy to carry out. Hi everyone, this is video 2 of the 5 video series which helps you manifest like a pro. In this video, I'll give you 3 simple steps to manifest your dreams by using your thoughts. So listen closely for a tip or a trick that might be the missing link you need to fully implement the law of attraction into your daily lives. And be sure to listen until the end because I have a special bonus tip in the final thought segment that's highly effective. Step number 1 is to use focused attention because what you focus on grows. After buying a new car, do you begin to notice more cars of that particular make and model on the road? That happens because your brain is focused on that specific kind of car, so you notice more of them. There wasn't more of that particular car on the road, you're just more aware of them. It was your perception that there were more of those cars, and I would argue that your perception is your reality. This is the law of attraction at work, and if you purposely focus on positive things in your life, your reality will be more positive. So pay attention to your thoughts. And when you notice negativity, make a conscious effort to push those thoughts away and focus your attention on something more positive. We can train our brains to think a certain way, and we have the ability to focus our attention on what brings us pain or what brings us pleasure. There's an infinite number of thoughts you can choose from, so choose positive ones that help create the reality you desire. The more positive your thoughts, the more positive experiences you attract from the universe. Step number 2 is visualization. Now this is an extremely important tool in the creation process because it sends goal-oriented thought vibrations into the universe. When you visualize the goals you wish to achieve, it creates the vibration which helps the universe bring your goals to fruition. So pick a favorite goal right now. Is it a personal goal? Maybe it's a business goal or a monetary goal. And imagine a reality where this goal has now come to fruition. Create a whole scene in your mind using all of your senses. For example, if your goal is to become a teacher, don't imagine looking at yourself teaching a class. Visualize it as if you're seeing it from the teacher's eyes. Imagine looking at the students as they look back at you as you fill their heads with information. How does the classroom smell? How does the chalk sound as you write on the chalkboard? Visualize the sun shining through the classroom window. Imagine a whole scene. Then, when you're fully immersed in this scene, imagine how happy and grateful you feel to have the career you want. Every time you do this technique, you raise your vibration and you help convince your subconscious and the universe that your goal has already been achieved, making it easier to manifest. Try visualizing the scene for a full minute at first, and then you work your way up to 5 or 10 minutes. And you should do this technique before you go to sleep because then your subconscious can marinate on it. Eventually, you'll be able to visualize your goal-oriented scene and duplicate its vibration in your car, lying at the grocery store, or wherever else you happen to be. Step number 3, meditation. Wait, don't leave. Did you shudder when I said meditation? Don't worry, you're perfectly normal. Meditation was very difficult for me at first. I'm not a peaceful kumbaya singing, granola eating, hippie chick, love nut. Plus, I thought I would have an out-of-body experience and an instant knowledge of how to run my life. It seemed as if nothing was happening, but even if you're not instantly downloaded with information or you don't feel like lightning has struck you, meditation raises your vibration. It helps the universe manifest the things you've just visualized. Just because you can't feel the universe creating for you, it doesn't mean it's not happening. There will be a separate video on my channel for meditation for beginners, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. But I will say this, if you're just starting out and it's difficult for you to shut down your brain, start by focusing on your breathing. It may help to count your breaths, and when you get those random thoughts in your head, just gently push them away and start counting your breaths again. Eventually, you'll start to enjoy the peace and the calmness you feel when you meditate. Final thoughts. My bonus tip for using thoughts to create is to create a vision board. And this is a great way to spur visualization. You can buy a poster board from the dollar store, and in my city, the library sells magazines for 10 cents a piece. So cut out inspiring pictures and quotes and glue them on your board so your goals are right in front of you. Before I go, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And please comment below and introduce yourself and let me know a video you'd like to see on the law of attraction. You can also go to my website in the description and pick up a book or download a free PDF.